When it comes to construction projects, reliability is everything. Deadlines, precision, and coordination all play a critical role in keeping a job on track. That's why contractors consistently look for partners they can trust, especially when it comes to concrete placement. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC has become a go-to choice for many contractors because of its dependable service, professional approach, and commitment to getting the job done right. One of the main reasons contractors choose Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC is reliability. In construction, delays can be costly and disruptive. When a concrete pumping team shows up late or unprepared, it can throw off an entire schedule. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC understands the importance of timing and consistently delivers prompt, on-time service. Contractors know they can count on the team to arrive ready to work, helping projects stay on schedule and avoid unnecessary setbacks. Experience is another key factor that sets Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC apart. Concrete pumping requires skill, precision, and an understanding of different job site conditions. From residential pours to large-scale commercial projects, the team brings hands-on expertise that ensures every job is handled efficiently. This level of experience allows contractors to move forward with confidence, knowing the work will be completed correctly the first time. Efficiency is also a major advantage. Concrete pumping is often a time-sensitive process, and having the right equipment and crew can make a big difference. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC uses modern equipment designed to handle a variety of project sizes and requirements. This allows for faster, more accurate placement of concrete, reducing labor time and improving overall productivity on the job site. Another reason contractors rely on Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC is the company's focus on safety. Construction sites come with risks, and proper procedures must be followed to protect everyone involved. The team prioritizes safety at every stage of the process, from setup to cleanup. By following industry standards and maintaining well-maintained equipment, they help create a safer working environment for everyone on site. Communication is another area where Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC stands out. Clear and consistent communication is essential for coordinating tasks and ensuring smooth operations. Contractors appreciate working with a team that listens, understands project requirements, and keeps them informed throughout the process. This level of communication helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures that expectations are met every step of the way. Flexibility is also a big benefit. Every construction project is different, and unexpected changes can happen at any time. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC is known for its ability to adapt to changing conditions and project needs. Whether it's adjusting schedules, working within tight spaces, or handling unique site challenges, the team is prepared to find solutions that keep the project moving forward. Quality workmanship is another reason contractors continue to choose this company. Proper concrete placement is essential for the strength and durability of any structure. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC takes pride in delivering precise and consistent results, helping ensure that each project meets high standards. This attention to detail not only supports the integrity of the build but also reduces the likelihood of issues down the line. Cost effectiveness is another advantage contractors appreciate. Reliable service, efficient processes, and reduced labor needs all contribute to better cost management. By minimizing delays and maximizing productivity, Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC helps contractors stay within budget while still achieving excellent results. Finally, contractors value long-term partnerships, and Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC has built a reputation for being a dependable partner. By consistently delivering quality service and supporting project success, the company earns the trust of those they work with. This reliability makes them a preferred choice for repeat business and ongoing collaborations. In the end, contractors choose Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC because they know they can depend on the team to deliver. With a strong focus on reliability, efficiency, safety, and communication, The company provides the kind of service that keeps projects running smoothly. For any contractor looking for a trusted concrete pumping partner, Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC stands out as a reliable and professional choice.